Hey y'all, it's Jeff Martin here. Test Drive Tuesday on the Carport Motor Company. And y'all, we've got a Honda CR-V. You know what that stands for? Continuous Rolling Vehicle. Because these babies don't break down, they run. Hey, look here. I'll tell you, it's a 2008 black. Man, this thing, you know what? It's 96 degrees out here. It's hot, isn't it, Harper?
It's hot.
I'm burning up.
For
that's why
you,
I'm wearing
baby.
Woo, that's why I'm going to wear the t-shirt, though, because it's just so darn hot. But anyway, hey, listen. On the inside of this car, it's not hot. You know why? It's got cloth interior. Look at that interior. Nice, roomy. I mean, it's beautiful. I mean, no cigarette burns. I mean, well, there's just a little bit of cloth damage right here. Just a little there. But I mean, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. But otherwise, I mean, it's in good shape, great shape. Not just good shape, great shape. As a matter of fact, my mechanic, when he got finished doing his 32-point inspection, my mechanic says, Jeff, that, sir, is a good car. Because you know what? It's a continuous rolling vehicle. That's what it is. I'm telling you straight up, okay? Come here, look around. Little scratches, some scratches. Not that bad, but I mean, you know, it's just so you're aware. Good rubber on tires. You got those aluminum alloy wheels too. I mean, those suckers, they're nice and good. But come around front, why we do not have a Carport Motor Company tag on the front is absolutely a mystery. I don't know why I want to have my sign on the front, but either way, we'll get that fixed. It'll be on the front bumper. All right, y'all keep on rolling around. Look at this thing. Still good panels, no dinks, no dents, no bad spots. Everything looks good. We get around over here, same thing. I mean, look, on the inside of the driver's side, I mean, again, fully automatic, windows, door locks, cruise control. Y'all know what these things are used to. Hey, the thing I really like, and you'll see this later displayed, is the armrests, fold down armrests. That right there, man, I like that. Makes you feel like you're in there.
Show all the space in the back.
Ooh, look at this. Hey, y'all gonna really like this. This car
has a shelf.
It's got a shelf. I'm telling you, got a shelf right there for you to be able to put in what you got to put in. I mean, this right here, this is the way to go. Listen, fold that thing up that way, and then you've got all the kind of room you need. Lots of room back here. And then, of course, you can always,
Well, you can also completely take it out.
You can also completely take it out. And you can fold down these seats real easy, just by the pull of a lever, all right? Okay, so let's get in this continuous rolling vehicle.
And roll on.
Roll on, baby, roll on. You know, you're too young to remember, but Alabama had a hit country song. It was Roll On Highway, roll on through. Roll on, mama, like I asked you to do. Okay, look at this. Let me show you all this stuff. All right, here, how many miles it got on it? How many miles does it have on it? I don't know, let's see here. Come around. 135,686 miles. That's how many miles. No check engine lights. Everything's good. Horn works great. And then, of course, you got your volume control right here. My radio's not on. Is my radio on? Huh. I have to change that. I have to change that code. I have to change the code. Either way, radio, everything else, all stuff works. Everything is working. Again, I have to fix that radio because it's got a code. And Hondas are bad. Every time you get a Honda and the battery goes dead, sometimes that thing comes back with this code error, and you have to redo it. But it's not really that hard. All you got to do is go back. Okay, but either way, I want to show. Wait. Let me. What?
Secret compartment. You can put your gun in there.
Harper, you all about packing heat. I mean, you are always. I mean, every time you find a secret compartment, you can put your gun in there. Do you have a gun in your car? No, don't answer that question because I don't know if you're legal. Okay, but either way, so look at these things. Hey, my friend Gwen, she is always saying, I gotta find a car that doesn't have that whole console area all blocked off. I like it to have a pass through. I reckon she likes to put her purse there. I don't know. But I told Gwen, this is her car. I told her to get her tail over here and drive this thing because it's what she's been looking for. And I've been to it's not easy to find that. But either way, so we got all this stuff. Let's take it out on the road. Again, let me tell y'all something. Ooh, sunroof, I didn't even notice this. But I mean, it's got...
Don't worry, I already.
Oh, you already
put it on there.
You already shot that? Okay, but I'm closing that because, y'all, it's hotter than a pepper patch. I mean, my top lip's sweating. Like my brow's got little beads of sweat going. All right, so here we go. Hang on to your fanny, Hopper.
Woo!
Yeah, nice pickup, nice transmission shifts out beautifully. Hey, it's a continuous rolling vehicle, all right? Little 4-cylinder, okay? Takes a little time to get up to 60, but we just did it, okay? But it's a little 4-cylinder. I mean, it's not bad. But again, I can get the code fixed on that thing. But otherwise, for the most part, you're looking at a car that has been gently used, one that is again 135,000 miles on a Honda. It's a continuous rolling vehicle. That means the past owner barely used this vehicle. But I mean, with your sunroof set up, with your full AC and everything else, your cruise control right here on the steering wheel, man, you're set. You're set. It's easy to be able to manage everything. Okay. So,
all that space back there.
Look at that. Yeah, isn't that something?
But I don't know, did y'all notice? I've not ever seen a car that has the, I mean, it's usually right here in the middle, but because you don't have that console, they put it up here.
Speaking of hidey holes, right down there, there's some more storage right down here on the console, and I think that right there is for your little USB.
And there's another one right here. They've got the power outlet,
right,
and they've got the aux. Lord,
sorry,
now.
rumble strip. Sorry. I had a phone call. My sales guy has got a customer coming in tonight at 7 o'clock. They made the appointment. We're coming in. We're selling tonight at 7. Because I'm telling you right now, when you want to buy, we're here to sell. Because you know what, Harper Lee, what is the Carport Motor Company most known for?
Good cars for good people.
That is correct. We've got good cars for good people. We specialize in that. And so, you want to see some cars? Harper Lee, you probably want to show them right outside your passenger window. We're about to come up onto the lot. Y'all want to, now, right there's Flash Foods, obviously. Look at that. You got your Honda Accord, you got your Dodge Ram 35. Look at all these. Look at this.
And we're ramping up, y'all.
We are. We're adding every day. And as a matter of fact, let me show you this over here. Coming to the side. We even got these getting ready. These are newly arrived vehicles. That Hyundai Sonata is a hybrid. That thing gets 38 miles to the gallon. 38. I mean, people complaining about the gas prices. Man, we got a car for you that's going to get you where you got to go in a very, very efficient way. Okay.
So where can they find us?
You can always find us at 929 Main Street, Blackshear, Georgia, and on the web at thecarportmotorcompany.com, or you can just do carportmotorco.com. It's going to come. And then, you know what? For those of you who would like to buy here, pay here, we do offer that as an option. We've got 3 really good FDIC lenders. As a matter of fact, I've got even a local bank that'll do business with you. So, and I can work with you on that. So, good credit, bad credit, no credit, we'll work with you. We'll get you in the car. Okay. This car right here is available as a 2008 Honda CR-V at the Carport Motor Company, Blackshear, Georgia. Now, y'all, Sunday's coming. It's Memorial Day weekend. We want to thank all of our veterans who have ever served, but especially those who gave their lives, because freedom is not free. And we have citizens who believed in freedom enough that they themselves paid the ultimate price and sacrifice for us to enjoy freedom. And we thank God for them, and we remember them. So God bless all of you. See you next week on the Carport Motor. Well, I ain't going to be here next week, Harper Lee, so you got to do it. All right?
I'll be here.
Carport Motor Company, Test Drive Tuesday. God bless you.